2,000 and 1,000 or something, you can bump this up. This is 20,000 and 10,000.
So what you recommend?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's fine. It runs pretty quickly. At least on this computer it does. This is just for graphing. You don't have to change that. That's whatever. Don't touch any of this. If you don't want to filter any respondents, you don't want to touch this. Probably don't want to do anything miscellaneous. The only constraints would be if you have price. Like I had price, so I want 60 to be preferred over 140, etc., etc. So you go through each level. So that way.
Do you have to type that in?
You add, and then it select your attribute options, and then you order it that way. So like price, I prefer 60 to 140, and then do it like that, and add.
Wait, will we have to do that? So I have a price thing on mine too.
So this makes sure that the price makes sense, so that the utility for the lowest price value is higher than the utility.
Okay.
Basically, people don't
Oh, it's like
prefer to
forcing
spend
it to
money.
know
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
forcing it to know
Yeah,
that
exactly.
cheaper is better. Okay.
So usually you don't do constraints, but for price it kind of makes sense.
Okay, and then you just go up each level. So you went from 60 to 140. Your next level was 140
Yep.
to 20.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I got you there.
You can always do it without it and see if it comes out correct.
Yeah, you could do it either way. And then advanced, you don't touch that. That's fine.
Okay. So now we're we're
So now you're
prepared to run our
right,
data.
Yep. So then you want to say estimate parameters, and this is going to. This won't come up for you because I've already done it. But it's the same. Do you want to continue? So I'll say yes. Anyway, it will come up with this file. It'll show you your attributes, your levels. Make sure everything is correct here. How many parameters are estimated, blah blah blah, and then also shows you if you did 3 concepts and a none option, so it shows you the percentage of respondents, how they answered, and then you just continue with estimation, or yours would be like estimate parameters now, and let that one, and then once it's finished, it'll spit out a whole bunch of shit, and one of them will be this CSV file. It'll just be typically what the name of your study is, unless you change that. So here, oh no, it's not this one. It's the utility side. It's this one. So these are your respondents. This is a measure of how well the fit is. You can ignore that. And then so these are all your levels, and here is all of your utilities, and they're zero-centered. So if you, for a respondent, if you look at a level and add up, or look at an attribute and add up all the levels, they should be add to 0. And also if you have a none option, it'll have the none as well. So yeah, that'll be, and this is all you need for market simulation stuff.
Awesome.
But that's it.